in there. It might be a little hard because the Avengers are on this bottle. What question do you think I'm going to ask you right now? Is it half full or half empty? Yeah. And you know, that'll tell if you're an optimist or a pessimist. TBH, this is half empty because I just drank a little bit of it. So all of you half full people, you're like super optimist. But I'm going to ask you a different question now. How much do you think this weighs? I couldn't tell you that answer. Do you think I could hold this bottle for a minute?
Yes.
Like just, you know, hold it out like this?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think I could hold this bottle for an hour? I'm kind of scrawny, so I'm going to have to say no on that one. Do you think I could hold this bottle for a month? Well, if I can't for an hour, why am I going to be able to for a month? And what this is really illustrating is that this is what it's like to hold on to your stress and all of your anxieties. At first, it starts out as nothing, as just a water bottle. You can hold this for a minute and you're like, oh yeah, this isn't that bad, I can handle this. I can handle this exam, I can handle this breakup, I can handle this whatever. But if you just keep holding on to it, that minute is going to become an hour, that hour is going to become a day, and that day is going to become a month, and that month is going to become a year. And guess what? I don't think any of us could hold on to this bottle for a year. So why do we grip onto our anxieties and our fears and everything like that? I know this has been something I've been struggling with lately as a college student. I think a lot of people are struggling with this too. You feel like you need to be perfect, especially for us Hmong people. Like, you feel like you need to live up to this golden standard, and that, you know, there are so many expectations for us, and we have to be perfect all the time. And in that, I think we begin to lose ourselves, and we begin to forget who we are. So this next song is, you can interpret it in many different ways. It could be a kind of like unrequited love song. But you know what? I'm going to sing this to myself, and I'm going to sing this to all of you. Because what this song means to me is that this is me trying to convince myself that I need to let go of the water bottle. I need to be able to let go of this water bottle and be able to get through the rest of my life without having to hold on to this for an entire year, or even worse, an entire lifetime. So I guess in other terms, self-confidence. Like, really believe in yourself and really trust in yourself. Because at the end of the day, you're the only one who can put this water bottle down. I can stand up here and tell you to put it down, but you can't unless you do it yourself. Voices inside my head, lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me close, don't patronize, don't patronize, 'cause I can't make you love me. You can't make your heart feel In this final hour, I will let out my heart, and I feel the power if you don't know you won't. Take it to anywhere. Maybe we can make it to you. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Something zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Could just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living. And you got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? We gotta make leave tonight or live to die this way. I remember we were driving in your car. Speed so fast I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, and your arm felt like it was around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling that I could be someone, be someone. And you got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? We gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way. Alright, so this second to last song I'm going to be playing is kind of a throwback song in a sense. How many of you have seen the anime Haruhi Suzumiya? Anyone? Okay, well this is like a huge rock piece from that song, and I just really love playing this song, so it doesn't have a super big meaning other than I just really love rocking out to the song. So I hope you enjoy.
Yes.
don't know, there it was.
Go.
That was kind of anticlimactic because the demo started playing. Okay, real end of the song now. I need everyone's help for this one. This song is really hard for me to play with and sing at the same time. It'll be a song that y'all know, and if you don't know it, y'all should know it. So please sing along. Pull it up on your phones if you don't know all the lyrics.
Okay.
tonight.